Hi everyone, it's Miss Akvari in the library, here to tell you just a little bit about this book, Seen and Unseen. This book is a nonfiction book. You can see it's won an award. And this book is about the internment camps that happened in the United States during World War II. So during World War II, after Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, Japanese Americans and Japanese people living in the United States, especially on the West Coast, were displaced and put in internment camps. The government actually sent a photographer to document some of this, but to kind of make things look good. And so Dorothea Lange was that photographer. You will see some of her photos in here, as well as read about some of her observations. There was another pretty famous photographer, Ansel Adams, who has photos that are in this book. He also spent some time taking photos in these camps. And then there's a Japanese American citizen, Toyo Miyatake, who was actually interned, so imprisoned in the camp, but found ways to take photos of everyday life in the camp as well. In between the photos and the text, there are also illustrations. So this is a really interesting book. A lot of facts in a very different format from a lot of nonfiction books that we get to read. If World War II is something that's interesting to you, I would highly recommend reading this book. We know a lot about World War II in Europe. We don't always know as much about what was happening in the Pacific, and we especially don't know a lot about the internment camps that happened in the United States. So all of those would be great reasons to read this book, Seen and Unseen.